was sunny a minute ago.
Yeah,
now it's kind of raining again.
Right. It looks crappy.
Hopefully it's going to clear up.
It's supposed to clear up after lunch.
Just the wet paper, huh?
Just very wet paper.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
That never makes Don happy. I don't blame him. Stripe first, then Tux, who's crated in the garage. Hey, bud. Good morning. Good morning. How's my big man on campus this morning? Hi. You ready to come out for some breakfast? Yeah, okay. You can see the spot on his head. It's highly likely I'm going to restrict his movements again. He's drank, he's ate, he's used the bathroom. I'm taking him for a walk. I'm around today. He's really easy to deal with, so I'm trying to decide. You know, he's basically still got an infected hole in his head, so not letting him go out and pick a fight and re-injure himself would probably be good. I'm just trying to exercise him right now. Come on, Tux, let's go. Girls, let's go. You coming? You guys coming? Let's go. There's no contrast looking up right now, but there's a lot of robins in the holly trees again. Not so much the ones up near the house, but out here near the cul-de-sac. There might be some cedar waxwings mixed in. I can't tell. Tuxie, let's go. Let's go. I just saw him run a little bit, so obviously he's not feeling too poorly this morning. Come on, bud, let's go. Let's go. Good boy. I'm up here visiting Stripe, and there's quite a bit of activity on the holly berries today. I see robins. Stripe, of course, is down here at my feet. Hey, buddy. He just waits up here all day for the next time I'm able to walk up and see him. Poor guy. Well, not too poor, right, with me taking care of him, but probably, you know, would take any more attention that anyone would give him. Johnny comes up and sees him once a day, too. At least. Don is putting the tire shine on the tires and on the black trim on the car, right, which he has found works really great.
Yep.
He likes to wait to do this when the car is 100% dry, and of course we washed Ruby on Sunday, so she's been sitting for
she's nice.
Almost 48 hours, not quite, and she looks really good.
Yeah, I have to come back and wipe the excess off the rims.
Okay.
I don't even try to be careful. See the black?
Yeah.
Because my sponge gets dirty. But that's okay.
We know the driveway is a little bit wet, but we think once I get off the driveway, it'll be plenty dry. And I am reminding myself not to take the bridge, not to go past the environmental park, because they sanded that road this weekend, and I don't think we had enough rain yesterday to wash the sand off. And that new development they put in there, they didn't exactly do it right, and it tends to drain across the road, which is an ice hazard, potentially. I guess Don's moving Ruby a little bit so he can work on the rims some more. Yeah, that neighborhood where they've left the water go across the road, it's a little bit of an ice hazard in the wintertime. But anyway, I'll just go through the neighborhood in both directions today and life will be good. She looks good. I would have gladly driven Jules again a second day, but Dawn said take Ruby, so I do as I'm told.
Well, I want you my girls to go out and, you know, a little hottie red hot, have a hot time.
Uh-oh.
What?
I see a couple of kitty prints. Oops. Tuxes ate, drank, used the bathroom, sat in the sun, chased Gray. He seems to be doing well, but I am going to put him back up while I'm gone. Because when I'm not here to, you know, listen if they need assistance out here, I'll just enjoy my shopping trip better if he's back asleep in his crate. Maybe when I come home, I'll give him an option to go in the hutch and sleep on that heating pan unencumbered for a little bit. Thank you for getting Ruby all spiffy. Don basically had to do the whole front windshield and the hood to get kitty prints off. When the ground's wet and then they walk on the car, it's much worse.
It makes my kitten happy that she's got kitty cats. So I take care of all the cats.
I appreciate it. I love you.
Yeah,
we're sorry.
Yeah, it's all
we
right.
didn't mean to cause Donnie troubles.
Yes, I agree. That's
well,
okay.
I'm going to go to Walmart and play pogo.
Right. I'm going to go run, and then I'm going to finish up some work at work.
Okay. I got us some really nice bone-in pork rib. You know, basically it looks like a T-bone steak, but it's a piece of pork.
Wow, sounds good.
Yeah, that's what we're having for dinner. So not too complicated, but should be. Usually we really enjoy those. And we are plowing through Eureka. We are midway through season 3, coming up on season 4, and it's 5 seasons.
Wow.
So we have really enjoying it and plowing. You know, we've been watching 2 or 3. Johnny's been willing to and wanting to stay out and watch more than just one a night. So I'm not sure what we'll find after that, but that's working good for us right now.
Right.
Yeah, I need to do a little vacuum up here in the front, but I can't really do that until not with Tux in the garage. I had Tux out. Tux is back safe, secured in his crate until I get home.
Right. He had his little afternoon stroll. He's now down for his nap.
Exactly, just like a toddler.
Just like a toddler.
53, but fairly breezy out there today. At least it's sunny. I feel like I'm dressed for battle. Might as well be sparring someone at Taekwondo, but I've got my list and I'm ready to walk in. Like I said, it's 53 and sunny, just a bit breezy today, so the walk will probably be refreshing. Uh-oh, somebody tell me what's going on with the cat food. Not good. Well, they had one poultry platter up high. About half the Lego aisle here is empty, the half farther away from me. Looking for clearance Legos. It's not just Model 3 people that like to wrap their cars. Some sort of an Audi. I'm pretty sure that's not Don over there. Could be though. Upon closer inspections, wrong wheels. This is what you eat on a low carb, mostly carnivore diet. We got deviled eggs, bacon, pepperoni, some really good cheese, and salmon, smoked salmon. The smoked salmon being yum.
Yeah, well, don't forget the single serving size pork rinds.